Yes. Hey, dancing queen. Anyway, hello guys.
Hello.
So today what is happening?
Oh, Charlie, today I'm hot. I was cooking and after frying all my things, I want to prepare some nice jollof. Because you don't like jollof, so anytime I'm doing it, I'm happy. But I'm out of gas.
Yeah, Toby.
And before I go and fill it, I'll die out of hunger. So I want to try cooking the jollof with the microwave. Since I have the stew and everything, I'll give it like 20 minutes. So we are going to try and see.
Wow, so today is a journey of jollof with microwave.
Yeah.
So what are your ingredients? You show us your ingredients.
Oh, I have my stew. I was done with my stew. Don't laugh at this one. It's very nice. Then I have my stock. Then the rice. Then I fried some meat. Don't steal some. With carrots. And I was trying frying some spaghetti. I love jollof with spaghetti, okay. But I got bent.
Oh, where's the spaghetti? Where's the bent spaghetti? Let's laugh at it.
This one is bent.
Oh, this spaghetti.
Yeah.
Hey, I thought it is fried cricket. Anyway,
so yes, that's it. So you're going to start. And I pray they don't take the lights, else I'll cry.
And then you move to cool pot.
I don't like cool pot. I don't like cool pot. Before it's leaving light. Oh no.
Anyway, okay, guys. So you'll be going. I will be going along with you on the journey of microwaved jollof. Yeah. I hope it will be nice.
It will. I'm sure. So I'm going to use this glass bowl.
Your microwave bowl.
Yeah, but it doesn't have a cover. But I'm sure it will work. Okay.
Hey, you started just like that?
Yes, okay. I'm hungry.
Okay, so you start with the stew?
Yep. I'll add a little stock. Not all the stock, because usually the stock is very spicy. It's good stock though. It's very spicy, so if you add all, the jollof might be too spicy.
Okay.
So you add a little and a little water.
Hey, but it's like you fetch all finish. Okay.
Let me add my macaroni. Your crickets.
Yeah.
I think because the glass bowl is low, I'd have to do it 2 times or something.
Okay.
Can't do it all at a go.
Okay.
Well, people like washing their rice. I'm a Ghanaian. I don't like washing my rice. If you want to wash it, you can.
Hey. No wonder you don't buy made in Ghana rice.
Oh, this is made in Ghana rice.
Sir.
Yes, I forgot to add it. It's made in Ghana.
Hey.
Just that this is not the broken one.
So
today I'm trying something new. I haven't done jollof with made in Ghana rice before. Wow. I thought it would be nice. So my stew is very nice. You smelled it, right?
Yeah, I smelled it. So I can attest to the smell.
Yes.
So I'm waiting for the taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need a little water.
Should I fetch you?
Yes. I'll be grateful. There's a cup there. You know, people cook jollof with heat. They really focus on heat, that the heat gets it ready fast and all. So I'm going to try it if the microwave could give me that same response. I think my cricket is too small.
More crickets. There's your water.
Thank you.
Water.
I hope it's not too much for the bowl, but
two over the bowl. Two over the bowl.
It won't.
You say local rice. Local rice is like 2.
Oh, it's true. Yes, masa. Yeah. I'll add the meat and the carrots later. So.
Oh, there's carrots.
Yeah, I even will add green pepper too.
Okay, so we are into the microwave. Now microwave grass on soy. Okay. So what setting are you using?
Normal setting, but I'm just going to give it 20 minutes.
Hey, 20. Okay.
Okay, so
20 minutes.
We are going to try it. When it's 10 minutes, I'll definitely come and stay and see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, it's in there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think you can see it. There's too much reflection.
Maybe you have to bend.
No, it's impossible. Anyway, so we'll be back in a few minutes to see. With the power of technology, you see it in just a few seconds.
Yep.
Right, so the 10 minutes is past.
Yeah, I think it's even past.
Okay, so now let's see how far our struggling chef is doing. Hey, it's hot too. Buy meetings. You say you buy?
It was too expensive.
Yes, stay.
I'm in Ghana. Megan.
Let's examine.
Can you see?
I'm sure they can see.
I think it's working.
Yeah. Wow. I didn't think it would work though.
Yeah, I thought it was too much, but I think it's normal.
Yeah. That's all.
Okay, I think it's fine. I was wondering if you need water. Are you sure you can see?
I can see clearly.
So I think it's working. Let's try it.
Yeah.
10 more minutes and see.
Okay, baby.
Yeah. If only they don't take their rice.
Hey, easy. Hey, yeah,
Oh, but it's looking nice.
Yeah, it is actually. It is. I'm impressed.
If somebody has tried some, the person should comment so that I know.
Sure, guys. If you've tried this before, and if you want to try it too, good luck. So we'll come back again and we'll see how far it goes.
Yep.
Your 20 minutes is up.
Yeah, so we are going to do
Let's continue and see. Woo! Who saw the steam? There was a lot of steam.
It is hot.
It's cold and hot. I can see more.
Yeah, it looks like it, but it's not ready.
It's not ready.
I have to give it some 10 minutes.
Will you add water?
I have to taste it.
Yeah, moment of truth. Yeah,
Oh, but it
moment
does
of
work
truth. Yeah, it is.
Better than I thought.
Yeah, it's actually nice. I'm actually surprised.
See, the microwave can do a lot of things.
Guys, how many people knew this is possible? Because me, there, I thought microwave is.
But I know you can use microwave to cook rice too.
Yeah, jollof is tricky. Well, someone is hungry.
It needs water.
Okay.
How did you know it needs water by looking at it? You're a wizard.
Yeah, it looks
But
whitish.
it looks fine, no. But if it was, you see, if it was gas, the steam, no, I would just put it inside. So if I add water,
Add water so that it will.
I'll sprinkle just a little.
Madam Chef.
Just a little.
Yeah. Just a little. We'll drink jollof water. Rice jollof water. Jollof rice water. Rice jollof water. Anyway, let's see how that turns out. Okay, just a little.
And give it 10 minutes.
10
I'm
more
sure by
minutes.
then it should be ready. So that in all it's 30 minutes.
Okay, I sure that thing is correct.
It is.
10 more minutes.
Am I sweating?
Yeah, let's go.
My 10 minutes is up. So
Yes.
I'm going to
So we are coming to check the final checking. I'm sure she'll need more water. Don't mind yourself. Microwave. Hey, Ashino.
It looks hard.
Okay, let's see. Wow.
But it's nice. I think it's ready. This spoon requires some milk.
Wow. You want one, no?
Yep.
Wow.
Just as I always wanted. You do want to taste?
Oh, definitely.
I won't give you. Guys, he's not going to eat.
The what, yeah? The
I
what,
will
yeah?
eat it.
The what, yeah? Wow.
My
Taste and let's see.
my design spaghetti is missing. I
there's one.
used it to garnish. Oh, it's ready.
I got them.
Wow. Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, that's true.
Just 30 minutes. It's going to be my new way of cooking jollof.
See your face. Anyway, so
Just
guys,
30 minutes. Oh, so it's
wow,
right.
it's tasty though. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. You can try it at home. My name is Ni. Her name is Emma the cook or Emma the chef.
Yeah, that was a shame.
Yeah, Emma the chef.
Nicer
Emma the
than your
chef.
fufu.
Please, don't compare, guys. Which one is better?
Jollof and fufu.
Who
Please, let me
who did it better?
Serve it and garnish it. You see.
Who did it better? Mine or hers? Fufu versus jollof. You see, you lose. Don't worry.
I win.